Hello viewers, welcome to this new session. Now we are going to start the exercise 3.1. In this exercise, first of all, we formulate the linear equation in two variables, and after that we represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Now see the question 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Now from this question, you will read the question very carefully and try to understand. Now see here, there are two things which are unknown in this question. One is Aftab age and other is his daughter's age. And there are two conditions which are given for their ages. One condition is for 7 years ago and another is 3 years from now. So first of all, you think there are two unknown things and you have to suppose those two unknown things. The first unknown thing, suppose Aftab age, then you will suppose let Aftab present age be X year and his daughter's present age be Y years. Now you see the first condition, it would be applied 7 years ago. That means you will calculate Aftab and his daughter's age 7 years ago. After that apply the condition. That is, first condition, 7 years ago, Aftab's age was, present age of Aftab is X years, then 7 years ago its age was X minus 7 year. Similarly, daughter's age, was, daughter's present age, it is Y years, then 7 years ago the age was Y minus 7 year. Now see the condition. I was 7 times as old as you were then. I was, that means Aftab was 7 times as old as his daughter's age. That is, you will write Aftab's age, it is equal to 7 into daughter's age. This is the condition. I was 7 times as old as you were then. That means Aftab's age, it was 7 times as old as his daughter's age. That is Aftab's age equal to 7 into daughter's age. Now Aftab's age 7 years ago, it was X minus 7. So here you will write here X minus 7. And it is equal to 7 into daughter's age. 7 years ago, it was Y minus 7. Now X minus 7, it is equal to, multiply in this bracket by 7. 7 into Y, 7Y minus 7 7 ja 49. Now transpose all the terms in the left hand side. X minus 7 minus 7y plus 49 equal to 0. That is, you can write x minus 7y minus 7 plus 49 plus 42 equal to 0. This is the first equation in two variables. Now, see the second condition. Also 3 years from now. That is, this condition will be applied after 3 years from now. That is, you will calculate age of Aftab and his daughter 3 years from now and then apply the condition. That is case 2, 3 years from now, Aftab is will be, Aftab present is X years, then 3 years from now, its age will be, his age will be X plus 3 years. Similarly, daughter says, will be, daughter says, present age it is Y years, then after 3 years, daughter says will be Y plus 3 years. Now see the condition. I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. I, that means Aftab, shall be 3 times as old as his daughter's age. That is Aftab's age, it is equal to 3 into daughter's age. Now Aftab is X plus 3. It is equal to 3 into daughter's age, Y plus 3. Now X plus 3, it is equal to 3 into Y, 3Y plus 3 is 9. Transpose all terms in the left hand side. X plus 3 minus 3Y plus minus 9. It is minus 9 equal to 0. Now this X minus 3Y, 3 minus 9, it is minus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation 2. Now equation 1 and 2 represent this situation algebraically. Equations 1 and 2 represent the given situation algebraically. Now we solve graphically. Now we will solve and draw the graph of these two equations. Now the equation 1, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Now you will calculate value of x in terms of y or in value of y in terms of x. Here we calculate value of x in terms of y, that means you will keep x in the left hand side and remaining two terms transpose in the right hand side. Then it's minus 7y becomes 7y and this plus 42 becomes minus 42. Now you will choose either a value of y or then calculate the corresponding value of x, or you will choose value of x then calculate corresponding value of y, and that will be this one solution. In this way you will calculate two solutions of this equation. Suppose let y is equal to 12. You can choose any value of y. Here I am taking y is equal to 12. That is, in place of y you will write 12. Therefore this x, it is equal to 7 into 12 minus 42. This x equal to 7 12 84 minus 42. X is equal to 84 minus 42 equal to 42. That is, this is the first solution. X is equal to 42 and y is equal to 12. Here you will make a graph, make a box, x and y. X, it is equal to 42 and its corresponding value of y is 12. Then y is equal to 12. Now second, choose y is equal to 18. So here you, in the place of y you will write 18. Therefore this x, it is equal to 7 into y 18 minus 42. Solve it. X equal to 7, 18 ja 126 minus 42, x equal to 84. Therefore x is equal to 84 and y is equal to 18. Similarly, you will solve the equation 2 also. Equation 2, x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. X, it is equal to 3y plus 6. Now we solved equation 2. Equation 2 is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Then x equal to this 3y plus 6. Now you can choose value of y or x. Here I am going to choose value of y and suppose it is 6. Put here 6, then x equal to 3 into 6 plus 6. X equal to 3 6 are 18 plus 6 24. Now next value of y, choose y is equal to 12. Put here 12 in the place of y 12, then this x equal to 3 into y 12 plus 6. This x equal to 3 12 are 36 plus 6. Then x equal to 42. Now this you will draw a box. Here x is equal to 24, its corresponding value of y 6. Similarly here x is 42 and its corresponding value of y is 12. Now you will draw the graph of this. You will draw two perpendicular lines. This one is the x-axis and this one is the y-axis. Both intersect at this point. This one is origin. Now you will divide the space on x-axis in equal intervals. For example, I am dividing this in the multiple of 12. That is this 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and so on. Similarly, you will divide the space on y-axis in equal intervals. For example, in multiple of 12, then 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72 and so on. Now see this first solution of the first equation. The first is x is equal to 42 and y is equal to 12. Represent this point on this Cartesian system, that is on the graph or in the plane. X is equal to 42. This x equal to 42 lies between 36 and 48. That is exactly in the middle of this 36 and 48 there will be 42. Here this point represent x equal to 42. Its corresponding value of y 12. Then you will see that value on the y-axis, and the y-axis this value is 12. So join these 2 points. That means you will go along the x-axis and in front of this point 42, this point is 42, 12. This point represents 42, 12. Now see next, x is equal to 84. This point represents x is equal to 84 on x-axis, and corresponding value of y is 18. Y is equal to, on y-axis, y is equal to 18. That is 18 lies between 12 and 24. It will be exactly in the middle of this 12 and 24. Go along the x-axis in front of 84. You will get this point. This point is the 84, 18. Now join these 2 points with a scale. You will get a straight line. You will draw. Join these 2 points. You will get a straight line like this. This is the graph of the equation. First equation, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Now see the second. X is equal to 24, y is equal to 6. It is for the second equation. X is equal to 24, this point. Y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6. That is between 0 to 12. Here come with this. This point represent 24, 6. And x equal to 42, y is equal to 12. X equal to 42, y is equal to 12. You have already plotted this point. X is equal to 42, y is equal to 12. That means this point you have already plotted. Join these 2 points with a scale. With the help of a scale, you will get like this. मैं बिना स्केल का बना रहा हूं, इसलिए थोड़ा लाइन टेढ़ी हो रही है. तुम लोग स्केल से बनाओगे और ग्राफ पेपर पर बनाओगे तो इसलिए ये सही मिलेगा. You will join these 2 points with a scale, and this is the graph of the equation x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the graphical solution of this equation. Since both graphs intersect at the point 42, 12, therefore solution Solution, it is 4212. Solution is 4212. 4212 implies that x, it is first value is for x is equal to 42, y is equal to 12. That is, what is x? It is the present age of Aftab. Therefore, Aftab's present age, it is equal to 42 years, and daughter's present age, it is 12 years. This value you have obtained by using the graphical method. Now, when you use the algebraic method, you will get the same value which you will learn in next coming exercise. For today, that's all.